Again, we will look at one very important question that is asked in many Java developer interviews. That is the difference between post construct and pre destroy. तो सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि पोस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट क्या होता है. So post construct is an annotation, and when does it run? It runs after the bean has been constructed and dependency is injected, but before the bean is put into the service. अब इसके इंटरव्यूअर आपको पूछ सकता है कि इसके यूजेस क्या होंगे. सो यू कैन टेल हिम कि it is basically used to have an initialization logic, for example setting up the resources, creating opening a database connection. Where to use it? You need to use it inside a method in a Spring managed bean class. So this is a syntax to use the post construct annotation. Now pre-destroy क्या होता है? Pre-destroy नाम से ही आप समझ जाओगे कि when does it run? Just before the bean is removed from the context. That is before the Spring container shuts down. अब इसका यूज क्या होता है कि जैसे प्री डिस्ट्रॉय यूज करके अगर हम कोई डेटाबेस कनेक्शन ओपन कर रहे हैं, so using post construct, we will close that connection or we will release the resources like कोई file open है or something like that. So we will release those resources. Again, where to use it? You need to use it inside a method in a Spring managed bean class. इसका भी syntax same ही है. Just you need to have pre-destroy annotation over a method. Now देखते हैं कि एक वर्कफ्लो कैसे होगा अगर हम प्री डिस्ट्रॉय एंड पोस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट दोनों एनोटेशंस यूज कर रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहले आपने ऐप स्टार्ट किया, द कंस्ट्रक्टर विल रन, देन डिपेंडेंसीज विल गेट इंजेक्टेड, देन एज वी हैव सीन पोस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट मेथड विल रन, then bean will be ready for use, all the processing will be done, and when we will shut down the app, then at that time post destroy method will get called. So this was all for today. If you have any doubts in this, let me know in the comments and please subscribe to have more such content. Thank you.